In this video I'm going to show you how to use some of the search functionality in Datascape and also how to use connecting lines. The dataset I've got here is of Twitter activity over Farnborough during the air show, so I'm just going to zoom in initially till we begin to see some clusters of activity. And we can see off to the side here I've got a nice little cluster and all these tweets appear to be by somebody called Clarke. What I can do is right click and then I get a context menu, just one option at the moment to examine the point, and this displays all the fields in that particular record from the data, all extracted from the public Twitter feed. And what I can do here is select whichever field I'm interested in, so in this case username, and ask it to find similar, and Datascape pre-populates the query wizard with username equals Peter Clarke, and I can then ask to do a search on that. And you can see in the main screen it's now highlighted all the tweets from Peter. So I'm just going to close these two windows off and zoom back out so as to get a better view. If I want to see those particular points a little bit better, what I can do is, these are the selected points we've got, 32 of them, but this is just a temporary holding area for them. So what I can do is actually say, no, I want to create this as a tag set. So this then puts them permanently into the visualization tree. I can give them a new name, and I can also define the color I want to use for the override. So here I can see my yellow points, but again, if I want to see it even more clearly, what I can do is hide everything and then just bring back those points of Peter's, so we can see where those are in the screen. But if I want to make a bit more sense, what I can then do is ask to draw a line between those points, and all I do here is select lines and say that I want to draw a line based on the created date and time, and ask it to generate my network line. There's my lines created. They're a little bit thick at the moment, so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to change the size down, and also just change the color a bit. So let's choose something nice and bright like pink. Maybe just bring the thickness up a little bit and apply. And now I've actually got a nice clear view of this person's journey through Farnborough, arriving at the parking lot, then appearing at security, then tweeting during some of the conference activity, then actually going out and taking some photographs at the end, and then apologising that they're having to head home, and then we're seeing them again the next day, and then finally on Friday. So hopefully that's given you an idea about how we can search for data within Datascape, and also how we can use the connected lines function to understand the points a bit more. Thank you.